So after doing the first one, I decided it'd be much easier to use some duct tape to hook them together, like nice and tight, and then wrap them with the wire. And now I have 8 of these. And I've seen some things where they hang them upside down and other things where they hang them in this direction. I like this direction better because it's more cup shaped, which is, I don't know. A lot of rain chains are shaped with like cups or like little pots or things. So I think I'm gonna go with this direction. So the space from the eaves down to the ground is 8 feet. So I measured out 8 feet on my nice tile floor and spaced these out pretty evenly. And I'm just gonna hook them together with wire, basically, and it'll act as a chain, hopefully. So I'm gonna get that done, and then I'll have to wait for a rainy day so I can show you what it does normally and figure out the best spot to hang it. So I'm gonna get these hooked together. Like I said, I have to wait for a rainy day before I can hang it up where it's supposed to go. But for now, it's hung up inside so it doesn't get twisted. And I rather like it. Obviously, it's a little bit long to be in here, but that'll do for now. Hopefully it works. Just have to wait and see. So it's not raining too heavily right now, but you can probably see this is where most of the water is dripping off at. So that is where I will put it when it dries up a bit. So this was a fun project. I had a bag of old silverware that I've been saving for a project for a while. I thought about wind chimes, and I decided to try this. I couldn't really find a whole lot of information about using rain chains without gutters. Some places said, yeah, go ahead. So I decided to try it. And when it was just kind of like drizzling rain, it actually kind of worked. But when it's like a downpour, I mean, seriously, that's a lot of roof that drains down to here. So it did kind of prevent a hole being made here and all the sand splashing up onto the plants, but it was still a huge amount of water. And when it was, I mean, it was draining mostly right here, but all along this. So it really just needs a gutter. But it was a fun project, and it kind of helps keep things, you know, a little bit in check. So I'll leave it there, and when we get a little bit of gutter put up there, I may keep it and hang it at the end of the gutter. So if you're thinking about putting a rain chain on a house without gutters, if you have it like at a corner where 2 roofs meet, it might help you out, but mostly you just kind of need gutters. This is a replacement for a downspout, not for a gutter. So anyway, it was a fun project, and I hope you liked it. And yeah, anyway, stay tuned for next week when I'm going to show you what that thing over there. I'll get it. That thing. I'll show you what that thing is and what it's for and how I made it. See you guys next time. Bye.